is movement, transformation, creation. Evolving is reimagining, starting over, imagining new ways of doing what we do. Evolving is finding the consciousness to be better for us and for others. Evolving is pushing to exceed standards and learning to run faster than we used to. Layer by layer, we build with no limits, scale, shape, or material to bring to life what you envision. Layer by layer, we are evolving additive manufacturing towards an efficient and sustainable approach to industrial production. We're evolving to guide the explorers, inspire the innovators, empower the pioneers. We're evolving to guide the future of manufacturing, to be the spark that ignites the revolution.